You can feel it happening, they're appling away, and even if they haven't said it out loud, deep down, you already know what's coming before someone leaves for good. There are always two signs, Thatcho. Their love is fading and the stoics enders. This, long before we ever gave it words, the first sign is that they stop investing the long, meaningful conversations. Fade into short surface alexings. There are no future plans, nosher dreams. Just a minute. The connection alive. The second sign is emotional distance. They may still be physical present, sitting beside you or sharing same space, but you can feel their mind drifting far away. They've already started to leave quietly and invisibly. Picta said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters." And when someone begins to withdraw, you're a lift with two choices. You can chase them on. In doing so, slowly lose yourself, or you can accept the reality with strength and dignity. Marcus Aurelius reminded us, you have power over your mind, note outside events. You can't force someone to love you, and you can't make them stay, but you can choose how you respond. You can choose how you walk away, and harass stoic truth that changes everything. The moment you stop begging for love is moment you begin to reclaim your